name is Yannis Andreou, and today we're going to talk about big banks and what big banks usually do and how they behave with the public when it comes to mortgages and loans in general. Big banks are always comfortable, popular, and the worst deals when it comes to mortgages and most types of loans. And let's take a look at the reasons. The big six are RBC, TD, BMO, CIBC, Scotia, and the National Bank of Canada. The banks own 90% of the market. The reason they own 90% is that the average consumer is complacent, doesn't do enough research, and lacks knowledge to evaluate available options. The banks make a profit on the spread of the bond rates on fixed terms and based on the overnight rate spread between what they charge on the variable rate and what the overnight spread is. We're going to focus on fixed rates right now. So, for example, the best 5-year rates right now from BMO, TD, and RBC are 3.74%. The bond yield over 5 years as of February 24 is 1.793. Their spread on an annual basis is 1.947% on the amount they have lent on. So the profit over 5 years, if we assume a mortgage of $800,000, is $23,831.62 for the bank. The alternative, you can go with a mortgage broker, any mortgage broker. Let's say that the rate is 3.49 versus 3.74. Over 5 years, you're going to save $3,129.57 during that term. In addition to that, the prepayment penalties, the portability, and other features of the mortgage are always better when you're using a smaller lender. Let's say someone like Merix, MCAP, lenders basically that are trying to gain market share and have a great reputation because they have been in the market for more than 10, 15, 20 years. So it really helps to use the assistance of an expert and to evaluate the mortgage not only on the rate alone, but also on other factors like portability, prepayment options, penalties, and many other factors that actually give you a much better idea as to which is the better long-term option, regardless of what is comfortable doing without much market research. Hopefully you found the information helpful, and if you did, feel free to share it with a friend. Thank you and have a wonderful day.